record. Alright, so as you guys know, I recently bought a domain which is adsense24.com, and I started adding content in that website. But now what I want to do is I want to track how people interact and engage with my website, and the free tool you can use to do that, it's called Google Analytics. So as you can see, this is one of my website local sites. It shows me the stats. Mostly it's South African people that visit my website, but now I want to add this new website of mine, not this one that I'm working on. I also want to add it to Google Analytics so I can see how people interact with my website. So let us get started. I'll go back there. Normally you go back to settings, the admin, and then at the top you go to create, and then I will say I want to create a property, right? And then in here, the name of the property, I will call my website AdSense24. That's the name of my website. And in here I'll just select South Africa, even though it doesn't matter that much at this point. But because I'm South African, I'll just select South Africa. And then let me just say next. And then in here, category. This one it's more of online community, something like that. I don't know what category exactly my website fits in, but I can say website and internet, something like that. Which one suits my because mostly it's a blog alike, so I'll be like other business activity 0 to 1, and then I will say next. And then in here, what is it exactly that I sort of want to my website? I want to understand the traffic basically, and I also want to view the engagement and retention. That is what I want for this website. And then I'll just say create, right? And then after creating here, now they are asking me the platform I'll be collecting the data. It's a website. And then in here they want me to insert the name of my website. So in here I will just say adsense24.com, and then stream name I'll continue to say AdSense24, right? And I think everything is okay, so I'll hit create and continue so that they can give me my tracking ID. So I'll just say create and continue, and then it takes me to this page, right? And then they're saying the data collection will take up to 24 hours, starting like that. So now I come to this section. They're asking me, how do I want to set up my Google tag? So if you guys have been following me, you know that before I was coding the websites manually. So I would choose the manual the manual setup, and then I copy this code, and then I go paste it in my head tag element. But because I am new to WordPress, I want to try this method. So I will select install with WordPress, and they are saying sign in and install a Google tag through WordPress via WordPress. Okay, let me say show more options. Okay, I'm guessing, should I use this method? This one I would need to download the header and footer plugin. This is what I'm familiar with. Should I try this one for now? Okay, now they are saying sign in and install Google tag through WordPress via WordPress. Let me just choose the manual method. I will then say copy, right? And then after that I will go to my WordPress, and then when I come to my WordPress I need to go to plugins, install plugins, and then I would need to choose what's this plugin. It's called the header, something like that, header and footer. Yes, so with header and footer, you get access to the header code and the footer code. So that's why I will paste it. So I will type header. I think it's header footer, something like that. I'm not so sure which one many people would recommend, but this one has 600,000 active installation, and this one has 2 million. I think I will stick with this, the top one that has more. This one, I think I will stick with this one. Yes, so I will say add. I will say install now, and then I will say activate, right? And remember, I was activating this one, so if you want the full video, will be posted on YouTube. So now I did install it. I will come here, code snippet, and I will then go to header and footer. It's my first time doing this, so if I go round and round, don't come after me. Yes, and then in the header I will put it here, and as you say, these scripts will be pinned in the head sections. So if we go back to the tag here, Google, they say if I want to install it manually, below is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website immediately after head element. You see, so what they are saying basically I should paste it here. So I like doing things manually. I thought I will do the other one of installing the Google tag but I think this one, it's the easiest for me, because each and every other tag I will come and paste it here, right? So what I will do then, after, I will go and say save changes, right? So, and then I did save the changes. Yes, so the changes have been saved, right? So that means after a while, I need to say test installation to see if everything is okay. Let me just do a quick refresh this side, and then come back to Google Analytics, and then let us say test installation. I did say test installation. Let us see what the results I get. Yes, they are saying your Google tag was correctly detected on your website. So basically, after a couple of hours or a day, okay, let me just say confirm at the top. Let me just say confirm, and then I will just go to, they're saying data collection isn't active for your website if you install the tags more than 4. Okay, so basically it takes some couple of hours for it to start collecting data. So I will now be able to see how many visitors are in my website, which pages are they visiting a lot, and things like that. So that is how this tag will work basically. And the video that I was watching, the guy was using the measurement ID, but in my case, because I like to do things manually, I decided to paste the whole code there. So for those of you who are in my masterclass, you created your website and you now want to track your traffic, where are they coming from and things like that, this was the video you were supposed to watch. So I will come back after a while to let you know, guys, where is the traffic coming from. So thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Let me just say next here, and then they are saying data collection is pending. It may take up to 48 hours, right? So the next video that I'm about to record, it's going to be about connecting your website to Google Search Console. So Google Search Console is a tool that what is it? It's a tool that that sort of checks errors in your website and things like that, and yeah, tells you that you need to fix this and this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Come back and watch the second video of Google Search Console. Yes. So now I will